Barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, the hostess with the mostest, and today we are cooking a smoked grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to do it on the air fryer, but we're doing it outside because it's a beautiful day. I'm hoping that there's no more snow in our forecast and we can get to doing some more outdoor cooking. I'm super excited. We are using smoked cheddar today. We are using some smoked Swiss today. We're going to grind it up in our little cheese grinder or cheese shredder, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to make us a awesome grilled cheese sandwich. All right, first step, we'll go ahead and get our bread buttered. Just using some regular old white bread, enriched white bread. We don't have anything fancy right now. Make sure you're getting all your edges covered. Everything's got to get covered nice. That way you don't have any dry edges here. Alright, now we got our bread buttered. We're going to grate our cheese in our cheese grater. This is the correct word I'm looking for a minute ago. Cheese grater. We're going to cut open our cheese here. Now, we're not going to use all this cheese because I don't need all this cheese, but we are going to cut up a good chunk of it here. It smells delicious. Now, we're going to go ahead and use our cheese grater here to grate up this cheese. I'm not using a super fine grate, but I am using a kind of a heavier, thicker grate of cheese. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing grated up. You can find one of these graters on Amazon if you want one. I suggest getting one if you don't have one. These are so much better than the little ones, little handheld ones. I was using those for a while, and this thing is a lifesaver. Just go ahead, go to Amazon, see if you can find one. They're awesome. Let's go ahead and get this cheese grated up. Now we're going to do our other piece of Swiss. Get a little nice cheese mess. We're going to go ahead and mix this cheese up a little bit though. Now we're going to get our air fryer in here. Alright, go ahead and open up your air fryer. Get that sucker out. We're going to put our first piece of bread in, butter side down. Then we're going to load it up with some cheese here. Want to put a bunch of cheese in there. We want the sucker to be nice and ooey and gooey. Just like that. Alright, now top piece going on. Now make sure you push this piece down on it really nice and good because you don't want that sucker coming back off while it's cooking. Okay, now I got butter all over my hand, but that's okay. Put her in there. Now, we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna turn it on to 370 for 8 minutes. Okay, now once we hit about 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and flip this thing over and let it cook the rest of the way. And hopefully we're gonna have us a really awesome grilled cheese sandwich. Now, while this is cooking, I want to go ahead and take the time to remind you, go ahead and check me out on the social medias. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, at NewBQ, NEWBQ 2020. Check me out. I try to post stuff on there all the time. I've been slacking a little bit here lately. Work's been kind of busy, stuff like that. So, also, TikTok, NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. NewBQ, NEWBQ, Backyard BBQ. Check me out on TikTok. Check me out on all the social medias. And let's pop this thing off, man. Let's get going on all these cooking videos. I can't wait. The sun is shining. This is gonna be an awesome year for cooking. So make sure to follow me on all my social medias. All right, guys, we've officially hit that 5 minute mark. Oh man, it looks gooey already. Now we gotta get in here real gently. I didn't bring a small spatula, but ooh, that's hot. All right, put that back in there. Ooh, okay. Let's get this sucker back in there. Let it finish off the rest of the way. All right, it's done. Oh man, look at that. It looks nice and crispy. I don't know if you can see that or not. It looks pretty crispy. Let's pull it out and find out. See if I can. Ooh, hot! Hot. Hot. Alright. Cut into the sucker, see what it looks like on the inside. Seems crispy. Everything on the outside's nice and melted and burned. Not as gooey as I was hoping, but it looks pretty good. It's pretty gooey. See if you can look at that piece. See? Check that out. Nice and gooey. Alright. True test. Gotta take a bite. That's really good. That is really good. That's awesome. That was awesome. That smoked cheese is amazing. It's a game changer in grilled cheese sandwich, folks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. That sandwich was amazing. I love grilled cheese sandwiches, and today that is what I am doing. I am trying some different things, some different scientific food experiments. Basically, I wanted to try some different cheeses and make a better grilled cheese sandwich, and that was a really good grilled cheese sandwich, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go eat the other half here in just a second. But first, if you haven't yet, do yourself a favor. Go find yourself a rotary cheese grater. That thing was awesome. I want to thank my in-laws for buying that for me. That thing has been a saving grace in our house. We've used it a ton. Also, if you haven't yet, my wife got me one of these for Christmas too, which is the air fryer. So if you don't have an air fryer, make yourself an investment into an air fryer. These things are amazing. And go follow me on all my social medias. Like I said, NewbieQ 2020 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out. Hold on.